Tired of overpaying for Canon ink? Try Easy Ink, the trusted alternative to Canon PGI-280XXL and CLI-281XXL, with the same quality but at a much better price. This 5-pack includes everything you need to power your Canon printer. 1 Pigment Black, 1 Black, and 3 vibrant color cartridges, Cyan, Magenta, Yellow. Compatible with top models like the Canon TR8620a, TS9520, and more. Smart chips detect ink levels accurately. Long-lasting, high-yield ink. Installs in seconds. No leaks, no mess. Whether you're printing homework, documents, or high-quality photos, Easy Ink delivers rich color and clean text on every page. Perfect for home users, photographers, students, or small businesses who want professional print quality without the premium price. Upgrade your printing game with Easy Ink. Click the link below to order now.